Welcome and thank you for visiting. Today's video is packed with cleaning motivation. I'll tackle some laundry and I'll clean 2 of our bathrooms. If this is something that interests you, please stick around and watch the process and result. Having said that, let's get this done. I'm starting today's cleaning with our half bathroom near the kitchen. This bathroom doesn't get too messy, but it still needs a good wipe down of every surface, as well as a good mopping. I'm applying this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner so that it can start activating while I work on some other areas in the bathroom. Let me take this moment to provide a proper introduction. I am T. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I share cleaning motivation, home decor, home improvement, and home organization tips. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for welcoming this new YouTuber into your life. Your continuing support motivates me in ways that you may never know. If you would like to continue seeing this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, then hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads.
We've been looking in each other's eyes. It's been a long time trying to get it right. Is there anything left there for you? Now I know you don't wanna lie, so save it for another time. 'Cause 100 more tries will make it true. Yeah, I know you, baby. Yeah, I know we both have much more to.
If you watched the previous week's Clean With Me video, you may have seen the explanation for why I have a jar of beans and cotton balls in this bathroom. The short answer is we homeschool. Head over to that video to get the full reason why we're doing this.
Someone else, and if they mean that much, I hope you follow, hope you follow them.
Here you see me using a Clorox toilet wand. A few months ago I bought one kit and was sold. Now I use them in all of our bathrooms because they are much more sanitary than the traditional cleaning tool that I'd always used. If you're not using these yet, give them a try and let me know what you think. If you blinked, you may have missed the gaping hole in my shirt. I love this shirt and I wear it often, just not outside anymore. Not only is it comfortable, but it serves as a reminder of our trip to see the solar eclipse in 2017. We drove to Bowling Green, Kentucky to watch the eclipse during a minor league baseball game before heading to a nearby train museum for our then toddler's pleasure. What an awesome time we had there. If you have a chance to see full totality of a solar eclipse, do so. There's nothing quite like it. It got completely dark in the middle of the day, and I just kept saying, wow, wow, because it was an amazing thing to witness. The next total solar eclipse is supposed to happen in the US in 2024, so mark your calendar. You may be asking yourself, why is that bathroom tissue holder empty? That's because we use the giant Charmin Forever Roll holders in all 4 of our bathrooms. I've been subscribing to this product since the spring of 2019, and in early COVID, when there were shortages really all over the globe, they didn't affect us because we got our monthly shipment. Here you see me using my Cedar mop. I absolutely love this mop. When I'm getting ready to clean one of the hard surface floors, I add boiling water to the bucket and my favorite cleaner, or just any cleaner really, but in this particular moment, I'm using some Pine Sol. Here I've moved on to the full bathroom in our basement where our offices are located. The shower doesn't get used, although it does get cleaned once a month when the cleaning crew is here. Otherwise, my husband is the only one who uses this bathroom, which is right across the hall from his office. I prefer to bypass this one and use either the one on the first floor or the one in my master bedroom suite. It helps me to reach my goal of getting at least 15 floors per day, which makes my Fitbit happy. If you're still here, please leave a purple heart in the comment section. This is a clean batch of water to which I've added more Pine Sol. I'm snuggled in comfortably on the sofa, getting ready to fold a load of laundry that I cleaned earlier in the day. My guess is that I'm about to watch something on YouTube because that's what I do. Netflix and Hulu can't be happy with me right now.
We've had our separate time. We've had our wrongs, our rights. All we do is point out our fingers.
At this very moment, both my Alexa and doorbell camera were alerting me to an Amazon delivery. It turns out that it was part of a set of kitchen towels that I ordered as part of my spring decor.
All expectations. Won't you take my hand, come with me, let's go wandering to a place where we know we belong again. Way above the ground, you and me hovering. Feels like we are, though we're lost in love again. We're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh feelings come and they go. Real love needs room to grow. If it come back, then it's forever.
I'm making a pit stop here to my gym as I put away my socks that I wear during workouts before I head to my bedroom and put away the rest of the laundry.
To a place where we know we belong again. Way above the ground, you and me hovering. Feels like we are, though we're lost in love again. We're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love, we're lost in love, oh we're lost in love.
Well, we got it done. Thanks for following along as I cleaned 2 bathrooms and put away a load of laundry. I hope that this video provided you with the motivation that you need to tackle chores around your home. Before you go, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, then click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads. Until the next time, stay blessed.